Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the Ziggy cup fully so you get consistent performance. A full battery avoids interruptions. Once charged, rinse the inner chamber with warm water to remove manufacturing residue, then pour up to 300 ml to the fill line. Make sure the lid seats correctly by aligning the arrows and twisting until it clicks. This creates the magnetic seal Ziggy uses to control temperature and sensors. Doing these steps first prevents spills and ensures accurate. You power Ziggy cup with a single press. The LED color tells you the state: blue for ready, red when heating. Next, choose a mode either on the cup or in the companion app. Select target temperature, set a timer, or pick a preset brew. Once the cup detects sipping, it pauses active heating to conserve battery. This is why it resumes only when you tilt about 45 degrees or press the override button. Use the app to fine-tune behavior for your routine. You finish by emptying and rinsing Ziggy cup after each use. Avoid submerging the base or charger port to protect electronics. For stubborn residue, soak the inner chamber 10 to 15 minutes with warm water and mild detergent, then scrub gently. If the cup becomes unresponsive, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a reset. If it still won't power on, try a different cable and check the charger port for debris. If problems persist, contact support with your serial number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.